Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to make kappa biryani. This is also called in English as tapioca biryani. Well, it is a combination of tapioca and beef mixed together, and it's a very simple and tasty dish which can be made in a couple of minutes, and it's a very delicious dish too. So let's see how it's made. Come on. We have got half a kilo of tapioca, which we need to remove the skin and cut it into small pieces. Now we have removed the skin of the tapioca, or we have peeled the tapioca and we have cut it into smaller pieces. The next step is to add it into the pressure cooker to cook it. Over here we have got a clean pressure pan. We need to place our tapioca into the pressure cooker. Now we have got around 400 ml of water. We need to pour the water into the tapioca and ensure that they are submerged inside the water. Next we need to add 1 teaspoon of salt. The next step is to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix them together and then cover our pressure pan. Now we need to place the knob, light our stove. Now we are waiting for the whistle sound to come. And we wait for 5 minutes after we hear the whistle sound to know that our tapioca is cooked. Now it is 5 minutes and we need to switch off a pressure cooker. Now we need to wait till the pressure cooker cools down. Now our pressure cooker has cooled down. Now we need to check whether our tapioca is cooked. The tapioca is cooked. To check whether the tapioca is cooked, we need to just take a small tapioca in a spoon and taste it. Now the tapioca is cooked and we need to strain it. So we leave it aside for the next ingredients to be added. Now we have placed the tapioca in the strainer and we are waiting for the water to drip away. Once the tapioca is strained, we need to keep it aside, and next step is to make the onions fry. So for that we need to light a stove, place it on high flame. Now we need to pour 3 tablespoons of oil. We have used vegetable oil. Next we need to splutter our mustard, and when the oil is hot, now the oil is hot and we need to drop in half a teaspoon of mustard into the hot oil. Now our mustard has begun to splutter. Next we need to break 2 red chilies, and we are having 1 chopped onions that we have placed over here. Now we need to mix all the onions as well as the chili as well as the mustard together. The next is to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We are adding a few curry leaves. This would enhance the taste. We add half teaspoon of salt and continue to stir the ingredients together. Now we are adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now we are adding half teaspoon of ordinary chili powder. Now we add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. We add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now we add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Raw taste of the ingredients are gone, and next we need to add the half kilo of beef. Next we need to add the tapioca that we have cooked previously and kept aside. Now we mix the ingredients together and we need to smash the tapioca. We smash the tapioca with that we have got over here, a handheld smasher. Once we smash the tapioca with beef, we need to mix them together. The tapioca is smashed, and we need to do all this on a low flame. So please keep that in mind. Now we switch off the gas. Our tapioca biryani is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comment section below. Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. And today we are going to make kappa biryani. Well, kappa biryani is nothing much. It's called as tapioca biryani. We hope you like watching our videos, and we request you to like, share, comment on our channel. This will really help us to improve our programming content, as well as it gives us the motivation to work harder with better recipe videos. And until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.